What is tip number 4 for how to get the best of every training and learning program we are doing in our life? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery. How to achieve our goals and our desires without giving up. And we've been talking for the last couple of videos of tips how to get the best of every learning we're doing in our life. And the first one was be hungry. The second one was be empty. The third one was be open-minded. And today we are going to discuss the fourth one, which is take your time. Time is the most special and important resource we all of us have. And if in our life you lose money, we can earn money, we can have it back. If we lose properties, at some point we can have more properties back. However, this is not the case with the time. The time just comes, we use it or we misuse it, and it's just gone and we cannot bring it back. And one of the tips I can give us today is when we're talking about learning and education, because the topic of learning, it's a whole subject we will explore in another training program. But one of the tips I can give with this video is that we have to be focused on what we are really learning. We cannot learn everything. Life is short. The time on this earth is not much. And we have to be sure the topics we're picking to learn in our life. For example, one of the topics for me is personal development. I want to learn to grow myself in order to be able to give more and to contribute more. And this is one of the topics I'm focusing on. Wherever you are in your life, wherever your lovely subjects are, we have to be focused on what we want to study. However, when we come to a training program, we have to be focused as well. When we're learning, it's good to reduce any distractions as much as possible. No phones, no social media, phones that have to be really away, and just, if it's possible, just be in one place where it's quiet. There is no distractions, there are not people, but you can be really focused on what you're doing. And taking your time means exactly this. Focus on the training program you are doing. Focus on the learning, on your studies. Just focus. Ignore all the other distractions, but be focused on your training and program. And it takes time. Everything to learn takes time. If I refer to my dancing career, it took me years to be able to go on the stage and just to really do amazing job. But it takes time to learn a skill, to learn a training program, to have education. It takes time. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush. All these videos we're creating here and we're doing for you, they're numbered. So they're in a sequence, and they're put and designed in this specific way with a reason, just to help us walk, as I said in the beginning, step by step to learn. Every video is important part of all the sequence, but there with a meaning. Take your time. If you've missed some of the videos, or maybe you come to this one and this is your first video, I can recommend go back to the first one. Take the whole thing. Take your time. Don't be rushing out through the videos, because how many of us, if you're rushing through a training, how much we really get from it? How much we really benefit? What do we really learn? What can really we do with this? So taking our time is really important in order to really dig down in a subject, just to really focus for the time that is required to learn as much as possible. So I can encourage you, spend time. We'll be having a lot of different videos with us during this training program. There will be a lot of good and practical information. There will be a lot of exercises as well. There will be a lot to learn and study. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Don't just go straight away all over them. Be sure that you grasp and take from each and every video the most tips the most of the lessons, the stories, so that can benefit for you. And it's like a building block. Every video, it's like we are building something, building our understanding about resolutions, about our life, about how to create and set up goals for me in my life, how to create a plan, how to stick with the plan. And it's a journey. That's why, as you can see, I'm always shooting these videos in a car. Just to remind us, it's a journey. We are going somewhere. It doesn't happen just overnight. It doesn't happen. I remember John Maxwell, Dr. John Maxwell. He was saying that it's not like one morning you just wake up and you're on the Mount Everest, on the top of the mountain. It doesn't work this way. Or one day you just wake up and you have the degree in your favorite subject, or one day you just wake up and you have the family and the 5 children and everything is amazing. It doesn't happen this way. But take your time to learn, to grow, and we are here as a team to help you and support you to achieve your goals and high desires. So what is tip number 5? I will share with us in the next video. Thank you for your time. See you soon.